Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm so happy you are here today. In this video, we'll talk about something that every learner struggles with sooner or later. Motivation. Motivation means how to stay strong, how to keep going, and how to enjoy learning English, even when it feels hard. I will speak slowly and clearly. I'll use simple words and repeat the key ideas in different ways so you can understand. And most importantly, you can practice shadowing. That means listen, then repeat after me. Speak with me. Build confidence step by step. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Learning English is not easy. And that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow sometimes. But you are not alone. Every learner in the world goes through this. Think about it. You need time to listen, time to practice. You need time to understand and time to grow. Some days feel fun. Some days feel difficult. That's normal. That's the journey. On the good days, enjoy your progress. On the hard days, just keep moving. Even the smallest step is still a step forward. Remember, English is not for perfection, but for using. So you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You just need to keep trying. Let's imagine with this mountain metaphor. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the path is smooth and you move quickly. Other times it's steep and you feel heavy. Sometimes you want to stop, but if you look back, you will see you have already come far. You have learned new words. You have practiced listening. You have spoken out loud, and you have improved. Even if you don't notice it yet, you are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger. There are thousands of people stuck while learning English because they don't have any motivation. So, what is motivation? Motivation is not magic. It's not a big loud voice shouting, "Go study." Most of the time, motivation is quiet. It's the small voice inside that says, "Try again, don't stop, just do one more minute." If you feel tired, rest, then return. If you feel confused, breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return, again and again. And here's an important question. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe it's for your job, maybe it's for travel, or maybe it's because you enjoy languages. Your why is your energy. It's your fuel. On difficult days, remembering your reason will keep you going. Now, here are 5 practical tips to help you to stay motivated. Let's get very practical. These tips will help you keep learning even when it feels difficult. Tip number 1, do just a little. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need a big study session. You just need to do one small thing every day, like listen to English for 5 minutes, read one short paragraph, or repeat one sentence in your head. Even 1 minute is better than 0, right? Because learning is not about one big day, it's about small steps again and again. Tip number 2, remember your reason. Try to ask yourself this question. Why am I learning English? It is for work, for travel, to study abroad, or to speak with people around the world. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it where you can see it, like in your room, restroom, or even on your phone's screen, because your reason is your fuel. It will give you energy when you feel tired. Tip number 3, make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Instead, put your English book on your desk always. Save a video on your phone. Set a 10-minute timer every day. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to start. Once you start, the rest becomes easier. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Some of you might feel disappointed and say, I'm slow, I'm bad, I will never speak well. Instead, say, I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing something difficult that many are afraid to do. You don't need to be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. You are human, you are growing, you deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. Yeah. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word yesterday? That's a win. Did you try for 5 minutes? That's a win too. Small victories are very matter when learning English, so smile at them. They build confidence and motivation. Let me show you how you can see your progress. Sometimes the hardest part is not studying. It's feeling like you're not improving. But here are 4 ways to notice your progress. First, write it down. Keep a small English notebook. Every day, write one sentence. Just simple sentence like, today I listened to a podcast. Today I learned the word progress. Today I watched a video and understood it. And I'm sure when you look back after a month, you'll see growth you forgot about. Second, record your voice. Use your phone. Say a few sentences. Hello, my name is Sarah. I live in Turkey. I'm learning English. Do the same thing next week, and then compare. You will notice that your pronunciation is clearer. Your voice is more confident. Third, notice small moments. Progress is not always big. It's often small and quiet. Try to remember the last time you understand a sentence without translating, watching a video without subtitles, or speaking without thinking too much. If you are that person, then, congratulations, you are improving. Fourth, look back, not just forward. Don't only focus on what you can't do yet, but ask yourself, could I understand this podcast 3 months ago? Could I write 5 sentences in English before without copying anyone's? Could I hold a small conversation last year? Looking back shows you are moving forward. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You don't need to finish first. You don't need to be faster than others. Think of it as a long walk. Sometimes you go fast, sometimes you go slow, sometimes you stop to rest, and that's okay. There is joy in small victories. Understanding one sentence in a movie, talking to someone for 10 seconds, remembering a new word in real life. Mistakes are part of the process, like babies falling when they learn to walk. No one says, don't try. We smile and say, try again. So, speak anyway. Write anyway. Practice anyway. Bravery matters more than perfection. And yes, you can create your own ways of learning, such as listen to music, watch short videos, speak to yourself in the mirror, read something you enjoy. When learning feels like play, your brain remembers better. Now, let's think about your future. English is not just a subject in school. It's a tool, a key. When you learn English, you can ingri, talk to people from different countries, make new friends online, understand movies, music, and news, join conversations, not just listen silently. More than 1.5 billion people speak English. That means you're never truly alone. No matter where you live, Brazil, Vietnam, Spain, Iran, Japan, English can connect you. English also creates opportunities for better jobs, studying abroad, traveling freely, understanding the world more deeply. So, every small step you take today is an investment in your future. You've made it to the end of this episode. That shows commitment. Remember, today we talked about why learning feels hard sometimes, how motivation works, 5 practical tips to keep going, ways to notice your progress, how to enjoy the journey, and how English can change your future. And now I want to tell you this. I am proud of you. You are doing something difficult. You are building a skill that can open doors in your life. It doesn't matter if you speak slowly. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. What matters is that you are here, listening, practicing, growing. So keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.